Half man, half woman. Half man, half woman. It's amazing. I have suddenly transformed into a half man, half woman. And just so you know, this accent is not real. And neither is this mustache. But I like it anyway. Just so you know, I do a lot of fake accents. Well, not a lot, but two. This one that I am using right now, and the British one that I have used before. The British one is harder to maintain because I have so many American people around here. But there are a lot of Spanish people here. And since this is a fake Spanish accent, it does not need to be authentic. Therefore, it's fine if it sounds a little strange. So for those of you who noticed that my accent was a little bit fake last time, it was very fake. There are not many people in this house at the moment. Only my sister, my brother, and I. My mother is at a funeral. My father is at work. And my other sister is at school. I don't think many of you know this, but I am the oldest sibling in my family. And I have not made a video for a little while, so I thought I might as well. Plus, I'm a little bit too lazy to be making pictures of myself right now, even though I look fantastic. Just a little bitty mustache. You know, I always wondered when I was little if I would look good as a man. What do you think? Huh? You think I look good as a man? That's up for you to decide. But I also look good as a woman. As a woman, I look very pretty. I even did my shirt gender neutral. See? It's a white button-up. And this side has the collar tucked in, since the collar is a little bit more manly. And I did one earring. It's very big and flashy. Very, very elegant. The sun is also helping, because I have shadows on this side of the face and light on this side of the face, so it's like light and dark. Although technically speaking, the light should be on this side, and the dark should be on this side, since you know, men can be a little bit evil. So today, I am just doing school. I was going to go to the funeral, but my mother left without me. It was a funeral for my dad's uncle, and I'm going to miss him very much, even though I didn't know him as well as my father did. But nevertheless, I will miss him. But I will see him again someday. So I'm very happy about that. Do any of you have relatives that you miss? If so, comment below, or tell me about it, or maybe just think of them today. And know that someday, it will all be alright. See you all later. Goodbye. Adios. Farewell.